Ay siyanibingelela bazalwane egameni lenkosi uJesu, sibingelela izingane zami zasePower, abantwana bami more especially nabonke abama followers wethu ke in this situation esibhekene nayo. It's a privilege ukuthi sihlangane kulesi sikhathi even isimo sinje akuningi engifuna ukusho kunina bantu abama ukuthi nginikhumbule kakhulu lesi simo esinje esisihlukanisayo kodwa akusona isimo ke siqalayo uma sake ufunda kahle neBhayibheli kubhlungu nokho kodwa ke akusona isimo esiqalayo uma ulifunda nje iBhayibheli kunendawana engithandayo lapha yami ekhuluma ngokuthi kwaba khona isikhathi la khona uPetru noSila bake baboshwa baba setilongweni kodwa ke ukuboshwa kwabo kungamanye amazwi babehlukanisiwe nebandla kodwa ukuhlukaniswa kwabo nebandla abayekanga ukuthandaza futhi abayekanga ukumkhonza uNkulunkulu wabapha lawo mandla. Yabona uma ulifunda iBhayibheli lithi konke kusebenzana kube ngokuhle kwabamathembayo uNkulunkulu, futhi yonke into eyenzakalayo isebenzana ibe okuhle. It could be a bad thing, it could be a good thing, it could be what any challenge esibhekene nayo nawo kama circumstances kulesi sikhathi se lockdown esike sadibana naso. Wonke lokho ke njengabantwana bakaNkulunkulu thina silazi kangcono iBhayibheli usebenzana kube okuhle. Ngiyanithanda nginikhumbule bazalwane, lesi simo sokuhlukana asimnandanga nokho kodwa ke uNkulunkulu uyasipha amandla okunqoba, uyasipha amandla okubhekana nazo zonke izinto. Kunezwi kaNkulunkulu nje enginikhumbula ngalo bantu bami njengobaba ekhumbula izingane zakubuhlungu ukuhlukaniswa kodwa kunezwi engilithandayo lapha elisencwadini yamakhosi okuqala uchapter number 3 sahloko sesithathu nje kodwa iverse engifuna ukuthi nginihlephulele lona uverse number 12 lithi bheka ngenzile njengezwi lakho nakho ngikunika inhliziyo enokuhlakanipha nokuqonda ongazange kube khona okunjengalokho phambili futhi akusoze kuba khona okuba njengalokho nangasemumva kwakho. So uSolomon la indoda endala biyacela ukuhlakanipha kuNkulunkulu. Ngiyalithanda lapha eqaleni lithi ngiyathabula ngoba Solomon awucelanga kimi imfuyo, awucelanga nokuthi kufe izitha zakho kodwa uSolomon ucele ukuhlakanipha. So kunokhiye lapha ekuhlakanipheni kunokhiye lapha ekuhlakanipheni. Ukuhlakanipha actually kwenza ukuthi yonke into oyifunayo uyithole. Yabona umuntu mayene wisdom, i-wisdom i-creator something that is impossible to be possible. I-wisdom ikwenzela izinto abantu akade bethi angezenzeke zenzeke. I-wisdom ikuhlakaniphisa ikubonisa isimo. So specifically ngifuna ukukhuluma ngalento ukuthi njengabazalwane, njengabantwana bethu, njengebandla engathi singaba nale wisdom yokuthi khona abanye abanama ideas abebekade benama plans but kwathola ukuthi i-lockdown le situation yamanje yenze sangathi into yakhe yaphela, yenza ngathi izinto ayizokwenzeka. Let me tell you, uma une wisdom i-wisdom ayidrive wa i-situation, i-wisdom ayidrive wa i-condition, i-wisdom ayidrive wa i-challenge ne-obstacle kodwa i-wisdom i-identify wa i-holder of the vision. Angazi ngichaza kahle. I-wisdom i-identify wa umnikazi wephupho ukuthi isimo sivuma isimo singavumi kodwa i-wisdom drives you ukuthi lento oyifunayo iyenzeke. So specifically ngifuna ukukhuluma ngokuthi engathi singaba ne-wisdom Bishop, ngifuna ukusho lento mngani wami ngoba nginawe la eyokuthi i-wisdom ayiphazanyiswa i-situation. Lesi sikhathi samanje uma uzophuma ungena idea actually should wisdom ayikho. uyabona le situation esibhekene nayo njengamanje uma uzophuma ungaphethe lutho actually you will never ever have time to have a self introspection yokuthi uzazi ukuthi ufunani kahle kahle lesi sikhathi isikhathi sokuthi udrowishe yonke ama plans. You have every time in your life to plan and to categorize, and after that ukwazi ukubamba into simultaneously. So ukhuluma into ejulile la uSolomon uthi uSolomon, you know, khona njengamanje they are running away, that saying impilo ayihambi kahle because kuvalwe izitolo, kuvalwe imisebenzi, kuphela imisebenzi. No, iwisdom ithi uma ingenzeki lento ikunikeza another option, because awusiya umuntu obheka umbelo wedwa, but you have something that drives you, a wisdom, something that is within. So ngizothi kumina engathi njengamanje singaba nale wisdom yokuthi financially have something oyicabangayo ukuthi in this kind of pandemic ye lockdown yiphi into engifuna ukuyicreate ezokwenza, and yazi wisdom ngaba ngithi I identify isikhathi. So you have time to build and store it and wait for a season, and wait for ukuthi once kwaphuma ngamanye amazwi ulingisa isosha elithi sibona iplatform iclear, so we have time to plant amabhomu wethu, because the moment sekuthiwa be free, ngesikhathi uthiwa uba free ingalesikhathi uthatha ke manje wena ke i-detector yakho noma uthatha i-remote control yakho usuyacofoza njengomuntu obenesikhathi sokuplana. Ngesikhathi ucofoza uqhuma lapha yonke leyo nto i-create wisdom. So you have every time to plan, you have every time to accomplish icebo. Did you know ukuthi uNkulunkulu, he created a person but umuntu engakafunction, but he was able to create him and creator in such a way yokuthi ambona ama-functionalities wakhe but engakaqali umuntu ukufunction. So ngamanye amazwi iwisdom ikwenza ukuthi we create a plan, we accomplish it before ithathwe into a practical, because i-practical izodeterminewa i-theory yento oyiplanile. Ngiyanithanda ke bazalwane nonke, sikhumbulene the situation ibhlungu nokho, kodwa if you have wisdom you have every time to plan and accomplish. Financially, that's very critical. Financially, ungakujabuleli ukuba uvutha spiritual but ube poor financial, because iBhayibheli lithi incebo negolide ingeyethu, yethu. This thing belongs to us. So if something belongs to you, fight by any weapon that you have ukuthi into ebelonga kuwe remains to be yours. Singalingisi uJakobe owadayisa ngobusibulo babo, whereby we have every right to claim what is for us. uNkulunkulu anibusise, but ngizothi nje wisdom in this time, in this season. God bless you.